everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net and a brand new video of the SEO series. In my previous videos, I already explained to you what is on-page SEO and the difference between on-page and off-page SEO. And this time I'm going to talk about off-page SEO, the second most important aspect of search engine optimization. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. As I already explained to you, on-page SEO is about optimizing parts of your website that are within your control. Contrary to that, off-page SEO is done outside your website in order to improve your search engine rankings. Just like on-page SEO is not only about placing keywords, off-page SEO is not just about links. It goes deeper than that. Think of it like this: your website is equal to on-page SEO, another site or platform is equal to off-page SEO. If you want to learn more about on-page SEO, you can watch my other videos, as in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about off-page search optimization. Off-page SEO refers to all the activities that you and others do away from your website to raise the ranking of a page with search engines. Off-page SEO mainly tells Google what other thinks about your site, and this is determined by the number of links pointing to your pages. If you have got a lot of them, search engines will assume that you have got great content that can provide value for users. Link building is often considered to be the main off-page tactic, but this also includes tactics such as content marketing, social media, appearing on podcasts, landing reviews, building local citations, and more. Backlinks and other off-site signals still form the foundation of Google's algorithm. And no doubt there is a clear correlation between total backlinks and Google rankings. Also, Google still uses page rank. While it may not be a metric that website owners have access to, it is still used in their algorithms. A tweet by a senior webmaster trends analyst at Google solidifies that page rank is still used as a ranking signal. However, links are only one part of off-page SEO. As per Google, they use other off-site SEO signals as well to rank your website. As an evidence of positive reputation, Google relies on a site's off-site reputation to figure out whether or not that site can be trusted. This includes a large number of positive user reviews, recommendations from experts, mentions on authority news sites and Wikipedia. Hence, you should not only focus on link building, as there are many other off-page SEO techniques and tactics that you should be using. They will not only help you to drive success from SEO but also help to build your brand. So now let's jump into off-page SEO techniques that are going to help you out. Before I start off with off-page SEO techniques, remember that these strategies are equivalent to link building. It is just that they are represented in different ways by bloggers. Also, I'm only going to give you a brief overview of all the off-page SEO techniques. So if you want a detailed video on any of the techniques, do let me know in the comment section below. Let's start off with the most important off-page SEO technique, that is creating backlinks for your website. Building backlinks for off-page SEO is all about quality and not quantity, and if you want the links you build to actually boost your rankings in the search engine result pages, they need to be authority links from related sites. Google will more likely rank a site higher than another if one domain has more backlinks. Google also take into account the quality of this link. A site with a higher domain that links to you is much more effective than a link from a site with a low DA. Apart from that, it also takes into consideration the relevancy of the link to your domain. We all know that Google rewards brands. Hence, brand building activities should not only be a part of your wider SEO and marketing strategy but also a part of your approach to off-page SEO. To build your brand, you will need to improve your brand searches. Brand searches tell how many people search for your brand in Google. This can be your exact brand name like GetAssist.net or your brand name plus a word or phrase. To improve your brand performance, you can check the Google Search Console Performance Report and check the impressions column for all your branded searches. Next, you can invest in YouTube, as YouTube marketing is a good way to improve your site's brand signals. Your videos can get you in front of a lot of people. For example, my videos get in front of 282,173 people every single month. This will make more people talking about your brand online, plus a lot of people who see your videos will search for your brand on Google. Publishing research-backed content can also help your off-page SEO by sending high-quality links your way. A good quality content will also attract a lot of social media shares. Although Google doesn't use social signals to rank content, still social sharing can indirectly help your off-page SEO by increasing clicks, brand searches and mentions. Guest posting means publishing an article on someone else's website in order to get more brand awareness and traffic back to your own website. Guest posting, if done right, can contribute far more to your marketing strategy than just being used as a way to build links. You should look to reach out to third-party websites whose target audience is similar to your own. This way, you will be increasing exposure and brand awareness amongst potential customers and heighten the chance of driving referral traffic from that website. Of course, you will also get benefit from a valuable backlink. Also remember that placing content on a website with a strong domain authority requires you to provide them with content or data which is unique and is in high demand from their audience. Also remember to select those sites to place guest content which are trustworthy and relevant to your own target audience. Guest blogging can be broken down into these simple steps. Compile a list of websites within your niche that accept guest bloggers or third-party entries or articles. Research content, tone and main user base of every site. Prepare a list of possible content ideas that would be a good match based on the blog's brand, audience and needs. Contact the site webmaster or editor and pitch one of your ideas. A forum posting site is an online discussion board that allows users to have meaningful conversations in the form of a posted message. If done properly, forum posting can bring multiple benefits for your brand or business: exposure to new customers, better understanding of your customers, opportunities to answer any questions customers or potential customers might have. You need to identify forums with a ready-made community who are discussing a service like which you offer. Reddit and Quora are key large-scale platforms to use, but forums within your niche can be just as effective. This is a great way of engaging with existing or potential customers online. You should identify forums threads on topics relevant to your website that you can add value to. You may also get the opportunity to add a link back to your website as a part of a forum discussion, but make sure that a backlink to your website is only posted if it is highly relevant to the conversation and genuinely helps to answer another user's question. Publishing great content on your own site is one thing. Any content that you create and publish anywhere on the web falls under content marketing. Writing a guest post also comes under content marketing. The use of content marketing implies creation of great engaging assets that make it easier to focus on off-page factors. And this happens when you promote the content that you are creating, something that others want to share and link to. Here are some common content marketing tactics that can build off-page signals, such as blog posts, infographics, surveys, studies and research papers, white papers and ebooks. Content marketing, when combined with link building, social media and press release, can also help to build your brand. Digital press release is a new link building strategy for many SEOs, as it is the perfect way to earn authority links. Press release not only help to build links, but it can also increase brand awareness and brand searches. Puts your business in front of your target audience and gets them talking about you. Drives referral traffic, positions you as a thought leader in your industry and helps to build trust signals. Events can help to contribute to your off-page SEO strategy. The number of online events such as webinars is significant, and they can go a long way to help build your brand. Not only can they help to engage your audience, but it will also drive social engagement and even links. Podcasts are really popular right now and they are continuing to gain more listeners every month. They are a big deal, and if you are not using them as part of your marketing strategy, you could be missing out on huge opportunities. Let's have a look at their benefits. It is a great way to gain competitive advantage as most businesses still are not using podcasts. Podcasts are a great way to reach new audiences, share your expertise, and to gain visibility on search engines apart from Google. Apple's Podcast, Google Podcasts, and Listen Notes are some of the best podcast search engines that let you find relevant podcasts with keywords. By now, you must have understood that your online reputation is so important, and that's why reviews are a big deal these days. But due to ignorance, it is an underrated off-page SEO tactic. Online reputation management is something that no online business or brand should ignore. Reviews help Google understand your site better, and Google uses them to derive brand signals, and that can boost your site's domain authority and eventually your position in search. If your business is able to get great reviews on third-party platforms, it is capable of positioning itself as a brand. Great reviews help to increase conversions as well as trust among potential customers. With that, we have reached the end of the video. I hope I was able to give you an idea about what is off-page SEO, as there is so much more left to discuss. For that, I will be coming up with more videos about off-page SEO. So stay tuned for that, and if you have any doubts or queries regarding anything related to SEO, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.